Hello guys, I am Salman. Today we are going to understand loop structure in C programming. So in loop structure there is a lot of loops are available in C programming like a for loop, while loop, do while loop. And so we are going to specifically to understand what about do while loop. So in this video we are going to understand what is do while loop, what is the syntax of do while loop, and an example to understand the execution of do while loop in C programming language. Okay, now we will discuss about while loop and do while loop in details. So first of all, we will discuss about what is do while loop. So do while loop in C, do while statement creates a structured loop. It is a structured loop because we will put some value, some condition and some statement. So we will call it a structured loop. So in C, do while statement creates a structured loop that executes as long as specified condition is true at the end of each pass through the loop. So firstly we will discuss about while loop. In while loop the condition is checked first. We will discuss what condition is checked first and how condition is checked first in a syntax or program. So in a definition the condition is checked first in while loop. So if the execution is false in starting at the time of execution of a program, in starting line we will assign a condition in while statement, right. So firstly we check the condition. If condition is true, the loop is execute again and again. If the condition is false at the execution time, we will not print anything. We will not print anything because the loop is exit at the time of entry check. So we will also know it is a entry check loop, right. This is the syntax, while loop syntax. While here you see while then condition. In first line we insert a condition, while then condition. After that the loop is execute further the statement, right. The execution is going to the statement. If the condition is false, the loop is exit at entry point. So this is a while loop. In do while loop, this is also a same as working with like a while loop, but there is some little difference. As in while loop, we assign a condition in first line, while then condition, but in do while loop it will execute at least once even if the condition is false. So do while loop is execute even if the condition is false, because condition is checked after statement. We will see in syntax the what is the meaning of this line. You see do while loop syntax, you see in do we will assign the statement first. So your execution pointer is to print the value in statement, then you check the condition, right. So this is a working of do while loop. It will execute at least one even if the condition is false, because condition is checked after statement at the time of execution. This is a exit check loop because we check the statement and print something. Even the condition is false, you got a result. Because of we check the condition in last of the program, while then condition. If the condition is false, so you should print anything in you write in a statement. So this is a do while loop. This is a flow chart of do while loop, how do while loop is work. First do while loop start, execute loop body, firstly like this, execute loop body like a statement and while condition. So if the test condition is true, the loop is continuously work. If the condition is false, do while loop end, right. So this is a flow chart of do while loop. An example, in this example we take a we will print numbers from 1 to 10 using C programming. Here is a while example and there is a do while example. So, according to the syntax, we are taking I integer variable and put a value 1, right. In while loop, we just put the condition first. In while, we apply the condition I less than equal to 10. Further, I less than equal to 10. Now, the condition is true. So, it will print from 1 to 10, because 1, 2, 3 till 10 it is true according to the while loop, and when I is equal to 11, if I put the I value is 11, condition is false, because 11 is greater than 10. So, condition is false, loop is exit, because 11 is not less than or equal to 10. So, we will not get any output, because here we check condition first, then print the integer value. In do while loop, same as we will assign I integer variable and take a value is 1. Now, we execute a do loop, first print the statement. Now, you see, first we print the statement. So, the execution of this program, first you print the value of integer. If you put here anything 10, 11, 12, 13, you got the result, right. After printing the result, your condition is applied, I less than equal to 10. If you put here 11, you got a result 11, put 12, you got a result 12. Because of firstly you print the integer value, then check the condition. So, this is a exit check loop and this is a entry check loop. We will understand with the real example using Turbo C++. Let us do the example using C programming. Okay guys, now we are completing the part of theoretical and syntax of a while loop and do while loop. Now we are execute a program according to the syntax in Turbo C. So, let us do the program of while loop and do while loop. In this program, we are printing number from 1 to 10 using C programming, right. So, in C programming, we are just inserting some header files like include studio.h, this is for input output string, hash, include conio.h, this is for console output. Void main is a main program where we start the program, right. Here I take one integer variable, it's a I, and assign a value 1, right. I will explain one by one what is this and why we are putting a value 1. Now, first of all we are execute a while loop program, right. So, you see how while loop program execute and compile and what type of output we got according to the syntax. So, we are putting one parameter more, clear screen, for clearing the screen of console. Okay, here I put while, right. Here I put while, this is a while program, and make a condition according to the syntax. According to the syntax of while loop, first we assign a condition, right. First we assign a condition in while loop. So, in while loop, I less than equal to 10, right. Bracket start, then we print a statement, printf %d for integer value for new line, and we are printing the value of I, right. I plus plus for increment the I value, get ch for hold the console output, and bracket 1. Now, we check the program it is correct or not? Yes, we got one error, we are finding this. Okay, get ch, get ch. Now the program is fine, no error find. Okay, fine, we got a output 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now the condition is true. See the program according to the syntax. First we assign the condition I less than equal to 10 and I value is 1, right. I value is 1 and we are applying a condition I less than equal to 10. So it is true, it will print from 1 to 10 because 1 2 3 till 10 it is true according to the while loop, and which I is 11. If I put I is 11 and run a program, we do not get a output because the condition is false. I is not less than 10, right. I value is not less than 10. So condition is false, the loop is exit. So we also call this loop is a exit check loop. First we check the loop, then exit the program, right. So this is a while loop program. Now we are execute a do while loop program. Our main concept is do while loop program. So how can I write a do while loop program and what is the output of do while loop program? Okay, now same header files and main function we are assigning. We take one integer variable and assign a value 1, clear screen. Now we insert a do. This is a function do and start the bracket. Here in do while loop program, first we mention a statement. So now printf %d and for new line and print the value of I, right. This is a statement. Now what I am doing? I just assign a function do, start a bracket and giving the statement printf %d and I. So the statement is printing the I value. Here I assign the value of I is equal to 1, right. Now we make a I increment value, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 for this I plus plus I am using to increment the integer value. I is equal to 1. After executing the loop, I increment the value. Right now I value is 1. After I plus plus, after the completion of program, I value is increased 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 10, right. Close the bracket. Now I am putting the condition using while loop, right. Here I assign while loop for giving the condition I less than equal to 10, get ch, bracket close. Now we will check the program. Yes, there is no error. Now fine, we got a result 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is a do while loop program. Now you see, if I change the value of I, what is the difference between while or do while loop program? You see, in while loop program, if I change the value, we do not get any result. But in do while program, if we change the integer value, so according to the definition, we got a result at least once, right. So I run the program. Now here you see the value of I is printed 11. I assign the value of I is equal to 11. So in do condition, printf dn and I, we are printing the value of I and I value is 11. So once a program is run, but they are not going to the condition of while loop. If I value is less than 10, then I will execute the program. We got a result 9 and 10, not going for the 11 and 12. So, this is a do while loop program. I hope you understand the concept of while loop and do while loop program. Now, I conclude the session. Now, the main difference between while loop and do while loop program. In while loop program, the condition is checked first. The condition is checked first. Here you see, in do while loop program, the condition first we print the statement, then check the condition. But in while loop program, we check the condition first. It will not print anything. The condition is false. It will not print anything. But in do while loop, it will execute at least once, even if the condition is false. I hope you understand all the things related to the while loop and do while program. Thank you so much. Okay, so I hope you understand what is while loop and do while loop and working of while loop and do while loop. So, I conclude today lecture. Now, the main difference between while loop and do while loop is that in while loop the condition is checked first. In while loop the condition is checked first. So, if the condition is false, in starting, it will not print anything. You will not got a result, right. But in do while loop, it will execute at least once, even if the condition is false. So, in do while loop, if the condition is false, you got a result. Which result? Where you assign a value of I. I means you assign a value of integer variable. You got a result because in do while loop, first we execute the statement, then check the condition. I hope you like the video. Thank you.